The camshaft position sensor plays a crucial role in your car's engine. It monitors the position and speed of the camshaft and sends this information to the Engine Control Module, ECM, which then adjusts fuel injection and ignition timing for optimal performance. If this sensor fails, it can cause a host of problems with your engine. So, what are the common symptoms of a bad camshaft position sensor? Here's what you should look out for. The most obvious sign is the check engine light coming on. When the sensor malfunctions, the ECM can't process the camshaft's data correctly, and it triggers the check engine light. A diagnostic scan tool will likely show an error code related to the camshaft position sensor, such as P0340 or P0341. If your car is misfiring or stalling, it could be due to the camshaft position sensor providing inaccurate information to the ECM. This miscommunication affects the timing of fuel injection and spark, causing the engine to misfire, run rough, or even stall altogether. Another common symptom is a noticeable lack of power and poor acceleration. Since the camshaft position sensor helps control the air-fuel mixture and ignition timing, a faulty sensor will make your engine struggle to deliver power when needed. Does your engine idle roughly when you're stopped at a light or in traffic? That's another red flag. When the camshaft position sensor isn't working, your engine may have trouble maintaining a smooth idle, causing it to shake or run unevenly. In more severe cases, your car might struggle to start, or worse, not start at all. The ECM relies on accurate camshaft position data to know when to fire the spark plugs and inject fuel. A bad sensor means your car's computer won't know when to fire up the engine. Now that you know the symptoms, what do you do if your camshaft position sensor goes bad? The good news is that replacing the sensor is relatively straightforward and inexpensive. First, you'll need to locate the sensor. It's usually found near the top or side of the engine, depending on your vehicle's make and model. Once you find it, unplug the electrical connector, remove the mounting bolts, and install the new sensor. After replacing it, clear any error codes with your OBDII scanner.